Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fried egg sandwich at home. Start by gathering your simple ingredients for a delicious fried egg sandwich. You will need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of butter. For an extra touch, consider adding a slice of cheese, some crispy bacon, or a fresh tomato slice. Make sure your non-stick pan is ready, along with a spatula and a plate for easy assembly. This quick meal is perfect for any time of day. Now, let's get that egg perfectly fried. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Carefully crack 1 large egg into the pan, trying to keep the yolk intact. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer one. Don't forget to season it with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for maximum flavor. While your egg is cooking, lightly toast your 2 slices of bread to your desired crispness. You can use a toaster or even the same pan after removing the egg. Once toasted, place 1 slice of bread on your plate. Carefully slide the perfectly fried egg onto this bottom slice. Now is the time to add any optional ingredients, like a slice of melty cheese or some crispy bacon, right on top of the egg. To finish, place the second slice of toasted bread on top, completing your delicious creation. For a classic touch and easier handling, you might want to cut your sandwich in half diagonally. Serve it immediately while the egg is still warm and the bread is perfectly toasted. This simple yet satisfying meal is ready to be enjoyed. It's a fantastic option for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.